And welcome back again. The birds are singing, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm back in the workshop. Now this video, the beginning of it, is going to serve as an introduction to actually two videos, so you'll probably end up seeing this bit twice, and there's a good reason for that. The reason is that most businesses, when they do a pen kit, they'll do a pen kit and they'll have a choice of chrome, gold, gunmetal and a whole variety of other things. Not hugely imaginative, to be honest. We, of course, mainly me, never likes to follow the pack. If everyone else is going right, I will go left, always the way I've been and always the way I will be. So instead of having one pen kit with three colours, we've got one colour and three pen kits, just to be a little bit different. And there is a reason behind it as well. The colour that we've chosen or decided on is chrome for a variety of reasons. One is it's the most hard wearing. Two is it goes with pretty much any colour of anything because it's a kind of neutral colour. And we looked at some of the other colours, and frankly, certainly gold, we just didn't like them. They just didn't look right to us. So that's what we've done. We've got three pen kits. We're going to start off with the first pen kit, which we've called the Anvil, and you will see that we've called it the Anvil because it has knurled parts to it, and it looks a little bit industrial. Really big, chunky, well-made kits, I have to say. I can't show you that in the video. I'll show you the parts in a minute, but it really is quite a heavy duty and well built kit. It's a premium kit made in Taiwan, especially for us. So we'll kick off with the Anvil, and here are the parts. So my apologies for the rustling, but here you can see, here is the kit itself, all packaged, and the bushings to go with it. ANV BSH for the bushings. I'll take those out first. They're a nickel plated steel bushing, very nice quality. And the Anvil parts, as you will see, stay still, all individually packed. There's the mechanism, tube of course, that takes a Parker style refill. There's the finial part, the pocket clip, the nib section, and this is the nib connector, which is really, as you will see, really quite long, and the reason for that is because this kit operates by turning the nib end to push the refill out rather than the other end. So I'm going to make up a blank. I haven't decided which one yet. In the tube requires a 9.5mm drill bit, so it's the same for this and the other two kits on the other video, and also the rollster pen kit. So they all take the same sized drill to make, which is quite handy. So on to the assembly of the Anvil kit. I've got all the parts here nicely laid out in my little packet, so I can put them together in the right order and I'm not losing anything. I'm going to start with the finial and the pocket clip. The pocket clip goes over the finial like so, and then we'll fit that to our blank, and this blank is, I believe, cherry with a knot in it, which I thought looked rather nice. And we're just going to press those together like so, and it presses in quite a long way. So we've now got our finial part there. The next thing I'm going to do, if I can move this bit out of the way and bring that back down so you can see it. You can't see it, hang on, let me zoom out a little bit. Right, okay, is to take the nib section, and actually what I'm going to do is screw on the refill like so, which is slightly sticky, and I'm then going to push that in there. The whole lot goes up inside that tube like that, and then we're going to push that together. Right, so let me get my tray out of the way. And what's actually happening here is that the mechanism is actually fitting into the finial, and before anyone asks, you will find that the blank rotates around this part, and the reason for that will be obvious in a moment. So nicely centered, gently push that on like so. It doesn't have to be too tight. The next thing we're going to do is to drop the refill inside. I'll tell you what, let me just zoom in again so you can see a bit better. Right, we're going to drop the refill inside until it locates in the right place. You can, if you get it like that with all that sticking out, it's not located properly, it'll drop right down, and then we can screw on the nib section like so. And there we have the finished kit, and you will see, if I hold it up to the camera, which way can I do it? That way, like that. I turn that, it is this end of the pen that sends the nib out. So there we have the Anvil Premium Twist Pen Kit. So as usual, I'll hold the pen, if I hold my hand up there to focus it, hopefully you'll see that a little bit better. It's a really good chunky kit, absolutely covered in my grubby finger marks, and you will see, there we go, turning this nib section sends the nib out like that. It feels like a lovely kit. As I say, it's really quite heavy, and that is the Anvil. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, enjoy your workshop, and whatever it is you do, we'll go and pop a photograph still of this up on the website. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.